So today you are looking very pretty and beautiful.
Thank you so much. And you too.
Thank you for your
Yeah, yeah.
compliment.
How have you
So
been?
how? Yes, I'm doing amazing, and yes, like you, these days because earlier I was little under the weather, so for past 1 month, so I couldn't take any session. But for the last week, I have again started taking sessions. So yes, I'm enjoying my sessions these days. What about you?
Okay, great. Great. So first of all, I would like to say I'm so delighted to have you session once again. I was missing also a lot. I thought I like join the session with you.
Yes. Even earlier, I was also thinking, but you can say my month of June has got totally blank. Like I didn't do anything. I just spent time with my kids and all. Initially, I took sessions initial days of June, and after that, I totally relaxed. I went to my mother's place, and there I totally relaxed myself. Yes.
Okay, that is the reason you couldn't join any session, right? You take any
Yes.
sessions.
Yes.
Okay, how has your morning been so far?
Yes, it's all good. Very much excited. Yes, yesterday I took a session, and after coming to know that, we are going to connect once again, so I'm very much thrilled. Yeah.
Oh, same likewise you.
Yes.
Hmm.
So, like, anything like I have something like when I went to my mother's place, there my other relatives also came, and we had a blast. We had a very good time. So after so long, after marriage and after having your responsibility, it becomes very much difficult, to meet with your, especially from your mother's side. So that time previous time I enjoyed very much there, and you feel very good whenever you meet with kind of variety of people. Like my cousins
Yeah.
were there, some were very introvert, some were very extrovert, but I was enjoying every one of them. Like, what have I got?
Okay.
Enjoyed each and every minute. So there, I was thinking like everybody has their own kind of nature, personalities, and I was that kind of person who was very much shy, you can say. Means
Still,
until you can say like, yes, after coming into this journey I have opened up a bit, but you can
uh-huh.
say my nature is like this, like I'm quite
Okay.
shy.
But it
Yes.
it doesn't seems like that you are feeling shy to in front of anyone.
Yes, after coming
Hmm.
into this journey, as you start developing your interest into some activity, then you enjoy that. So that's what I have been
Hmm.
enjoying. But
Hmm.
I know your perception. What kind of person are you? What kind of personality do you have? And what kind of people, company do you enjoy most? Whether
Hmm.
do you enjoy the company of extrovert people, ambivert, introvert, emotional, sensitive? What kind of person in a company you enjoy the most? And what kind of person are you in your real life? I just want to know.
Okay, I can say I'm totally extrovert person. I always love to share my feelings, my thoughts with my relatives, my family member. Can't say relatives, with my friends or my family members. So I always enjoy. I also had a quality time spent with my mom and sister. So I really enjoyed a lot also.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
So,
So did you also visit any particular place in the during of holiday or just enjoy in your mother place?
yes. Actually, now my children are grown up. They're in ninth class, so I hardly get time just because they are in coaching. They go to coaching, so I hardly get time now to go to my mother's place. So whenever I get time, I don't miss chance to go there. So that is my priority, to spend time with them. Because 2 years
Mhm.
back, my father passed away, and after that, I don't
Oh.
want to miss a single moment to spend with my mother. Because
Mhm.
yes, so that's how I every time find chance to go there. So that is my best place, to enjoy
Mhm.
and to be with my mother.
Yeah, yeah. I think your mom is also live in Delhi.
Yes. She is living in Delhi, in Janakpuri, West Janakpuri.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Yes.
great. So
I
you
can
didn't.
cause
Mhm.
that kind of, you can say, if I talk about myself, I am quite sensitive too. which I come
Mm-hmm.
to know after coming into the journey by meeting diverse people. Then, you come to know what kind of basic nature you have. And so, what do you think, like, being emotional or being highly sensitive is a good quality, or what do you think? Or does it have pros or cons both?
You can say those are sensitive or emotional. So I can say it's a pros and cons both, because sometime emotional or sensitive, okay, but not every time, isn't it? Because being a like too much active generation, so our emotional, our sensitiveness not working, I can say. We have to be too much strong, we have to be too much uh, by feeling hard, I can say, not emotional. Because these days people are really very बहुत तेज होते हैं आज की दुनिया ना, बहुत ही
Mm-hmm.
तेज है. So it seems
Yes.
we have to be also be strong, not sensitive. But we uh, couldn't do anything because it's our nature. It is given by God, I can say, because we couldn't do anything by our personality, by our nature. It if it could be changed, so automatically change. We just can do efforts to change ourselves, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. I can
Hmm.
also relate to you. But seriously, somewhere you can make little improvements in your, personality. But the basic nature you cannot root out from you, how much you try
Hmm.
hard. So that's what I also feel. Uh, yes, but
You are not visible to me.
yes, yes,
Now,
yes.
okay.
So yes, I also feel like there are pros and cons. I think both, but I feel like in today's time, like you are saying, there are negative traits. Means if you are too much sensitive, then you cannot. It becomes difficult for you, to survive, because you
Hmm.
start taking everything to your heart. Then it's very
Right.
much difficult to take those things out from your heart, and you keep on thinking. And what happens ultimately? You become an overthinker, and that
Hmm.
affects your somewhere. So
Yeah,
I feel like
exactly right. Hmm. But
yes,
I can say I noticed since we met last time, you were too much like feel underconfidence, but now you are totally opposite. Now you are looking so confidence, and the way of speaking you're also changed. So maybe your cousin would also surprise to see you, or not?
yes, 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 definitely. Because after coming to know that I have to work on these areas, I immediately started to work on myself. Because it's very good to find where are you lacking, because initially it was
Yes,
very much difficult for me to break the ice, like how to initiate the
yes.
conversation, to talk, will I be able to talk with someone for a long time like other people do. I had so much of self doubt in myself. But
Yeah,
I
because
think
I also because I also remember when you met in the last time, then you asked me, I'm not comfortable with anyone. But now I can say, noticing you are comfortable with everyone. So this is the huge change in yourself, isn't it? Which
yes,
I
yes,
can
yes.
imagine. Yeah, which I can imagine. So,
Yes,
what
yes.
did you receive comment from your siblings or from your cousins?
I have so far, the first and last thing which I every time get to hear for myself is that you have grown more slim. What is happening to you? Don't you eat anything? This is the way I'm fed. So now
Okay.
these days I totally focus on my health. That I have to gain weight, and I have to, I have to. I mean, I have to take care of myself. Earlier, I was giving too much priority to my, English journey only. But now I think I should give, I should look after my health also. So that's what
You
I
are
have.
exactly right. Just because of English, we are missing many things. Let me tell you what I am missing these days. Sometime I forget to comb my hair, sometime I forget to drink water just because of English. I was, whenever I get time, just start watching something, sometime editing something, sometime making thumbnails, sometime uploading the videos. In these all activities, sometime I forget to myself. So yesterday in the evening, I asked my sister-in-law, look, sometime I forget to myself. Like initially, when I get free, sometime I apply something on my face to take care of my skin. Sometime like do other activity related to skincare. Sometime hair. Sometime I massage my hair. But these days, you don't believe. Day before yesterday, I applied oil after 1 month. So I sometime I thought how much I neglected to myself. So this is not good for my health.
Yes, yes, yes. This
Hmm.
shows that how much determined we are, to how
Hmm.
much we are taking our journey. So I think somewhere we need to pat ourselves, but at the same time we have to look after our health. I think we should not neglect it because through our
Hmm.
body we are doing everything. We should not
Hmm.
take it
Hmm.
light. So that's what I am also doing these days. Like these days, I am totally very much particular about my diet. I am eating on time. Earlier, it was in my mind that whether I do anything or not, but I have to practice. But now I have changed my mindset a little. Now I think first I have to take on time. I have to have my meals, and after that, second thing comes. These things
It
come
means
later.
Mhm. It means we are learning also
Yes.
while doing mistake. Like first of all, we have to focus to our health, right? So these days I am also doing the same things. Initially, I didn't want to spend time in the yoga, but these days I spend 20 to 25 minutes, especially for yoga. I thought health is really necessary, so I started my again journey, but not properly, but I try to come on the right track. So these days
Yes.
I am maintaining the timetable, or I can say balancing the things. Initially I was forget everything
Yes. Yes.
just
You
because of.
reminded me that. Mhm.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes, actually, I have also extended my time from 20 to 25 minutes to 1 hour. Now I do yoga for 1 hour. Earlier, I used to wake up at 5 and 5 to 5:30. I would give time to yoga, but now in place of 5 o'clock, I have started waking up at 4:30, so that I give time to yoga along with little exercise also, like analom, vilom,
Anulom Vilom.
pranayam. Yes, yes, because it takes 5 to 10 minutes. If you start doing breathing exercise, it takes at least
Hmm.
5 to 10 minutes. Other little exercise also. So I think now I have proper started concentrating on my health. That is, I think, very
Hmm.
significant part of your life.
Hmm. Right, right. Exactly right. So,
Yes, yes.
you didn't get any positive comment like about your spoken journey, about your YouTube.
Yes, yes. Actually, yes. Regarding, just a second. Yes. Yes, definitely. Now I keep getting comments that I have improved, and you feel satisfaction that because you never get satisfied from yourself that you are
Hmm.
seriously improving. But when you get to hear the compliment from others, then you seriously feel good, and you try to work more hard into this
Yeah,
journey. Yes, I also
ex
feel good.
exactly right. You are absolutely right.
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes. So, like, along with practicing with people, have you adopted any new technique or activity?
Mm, just I try to inculcate, or I can say build my reading habits, because
Okay.
just we can just amplify our knowledge by the reading books, right? Like we can enhance our vocabulary, idioms. So I'm trying to read every day. Initially, I was reading twice or thrice in a week, but these days I'm trying alternate days.
Okay,
What
okay,
about
okay.
you? Do you
Yes,
read
yes, I
something?
have finally started. Yes, I have finally started reading, and there is a book that is, as I this one, Oliver Twist. That is a fictional book of children, because they used to issue it from their from their school
Uh,
library. So whatever they issue, I just read. So I don't go by any special book. Whatever they brought, I just read those, so that, because
this
I
is
am
the
not
good
in.
technique, I can say. Hmm.
Yes, yes,
Or
because
even
it
though,
is.
yes, yes, go ahead. Yeah, sorry for disturb.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, yeah, please complete your tell, then I will go.
Yes, no, it's nothing like I was saying, because especially when you make up your mind, and then you means whenever you make up your mind to read, it's not necessary, because reading is something that it's very difficult to find interest into it. So without making
Hmm.
any plan, whatever book they issue, I just start reading so that I can develop interest. And for the past few weeks, I think I'm developing interest, but not properly, but little bit. I try to force myself to read every time.
Hmm. And one thing I noticed also, when we read something, our child books, so we get a chance to learn more and more things. Because I can say, compared to other books like as like Psychology of Money, there are many more, Atomic Habit. We can learn, but we can more learn about our child books, because in the child books everything in the detail, I think,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
like
yes.
in a
And
easy way, or yeah.
yes, yes. Right, right.
Mhm.
You are saying in an easy way. That is very much right, because if you won't be able to understand what is written, and if you try very hard to understand, then ultimately you will lose interest. So that's
Hmm.
why I take easy books, so that I can first develop my interest into it.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we shouldn't go, I can say, directly on a particular book. We should start through the story book. We should start through the our children books. Once we build our confidence or build our reading skills, then we can pick any books, I can say.
Mhm. Yes, yes.
Hmm.
And that I have also noticed, like earlier I would only hear that it widens your knowledge also. You get so many thoughts also, which you can discuss while conversing. Else you have only whatever is in your mind, you keep on repeating those things. It widens your knowledge also. You get so many thoughts, views to, so many opinions to communicate with other person while conversing on video call or audio call. So along with, I think, learning English, it improves your knowledge also. You get to learn a lot of things.
Yeah, exactly right.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So yes. So are you all satisfied, like whatever are you doing, or you feel like here you need to improve, or here you want to reach at that level, or are you all satisfied right now?
I can say I'm not satisfied. I need to do much hard work, especially to improve the vocabulary, idioms, phrasal. So it's not a piece of cake, I can say, for me or for everyone. It takes time, and we need to spend more and more time, especially on the books. Then we can achieve. Or I can say by listening, by watching something.
Yes, yes, yes. Because I also think we are now able to speak basic sentences. We are able
Hmm.
to speak on daily routine activities. Now, I think
Hmm.
if we go out of the box, if we try something new, then we can enhance our English communication skills. Like by taking any topic or by reading variety of books. This way, I think we can improve ourselves.
Yeah, exactly right. So what do you do to enhance or change your the way of communication? I know you are still speaking very good, very clear, crystal clear, I can say. But are you trying something new?
No, I'm into old. I'm into the habit of old activities only. Like as I told, like I think earlier, I think we have discussed that I narrate stories to myself. I don't miss even a single day when I do not narrate any story, because every time whenever you pick different stories in English and whenever you narrate to yourself, because my children are grown up, they don't take interest listening to stories. Earlier I developed this interest by telling stories to them while making them sleep at night, but now they are grown up, they do not take interest at all. But I think it has become my habit. I feel like I'm improving much by narrating those stories, because every time I take up some new story, I feel like many times I struggle to speak those sentences because every time I'm trying something different, new concept of stories.
Hmm.
So I feel I never miss narrating stories to myself. And these days, I think if I get time, I try to converse with my co-learner also, even for 10 minutes, by taking any concept. Like yesterday, I have a co-learner with whom I discussed a topic regarding on anxiety, that how
Okay.
anxiety can affect on your life, personal life and career life. So in this way, I think I have started doing this activity also because now I want to raise my bar where I am right now. So just to surpass that level.
Okay, great. So may I know where did you get the idea to create a new story?
Yes, actually, when my children 2 years, yes, 2 years back, they were very much interested listening to stories. So at that time, I thought to narrate stories in English, so that they also take interest, and I will also improve in this way. This way, I think I got this much idea very much suitable for my children. Also, they will also learn to speak. They will also learn to hear in this language, and automatically they will also adapt. Once you listen, then you also improve. And so I thought, this is a dual activity for both of us. So this way, I think
Hmm.
I developed trust. Initially, I faced a lot of problem because it was very much difficult for me. Once there was a man, he used to live there with his family, then this happened, that happened. So initially, my children used to get very much frustrated from me. They used to say, Mama, you we don't have that much of time, we have to sleep also. So this way, I think
Okay.
they used to mock a lot on me. But I never, because they also supported me a lot. They also used to give me time, and then I would take pause and then would narrate stories. This way, I think I develop interest, and yes, I think till now I continued this activity.
Okay, great. So actually, I wanted to know where do you like pick the story? You just create in your mind, or do you get from any particular book?
Yes, from my children literature book also, and apart from that, from YouTube also. Any stories, I just write English stories, and so many stories come up. I just see any one of them and then narrate.
So why don't you try to take video so that other people also help?
Yes.
Sorry, so that other people also can take help from your story videos.
Yes, yes, definitely. It had come to my mind also. But right now, I'm totally focused on my health. I don't want to take any extra work so that it affects on my health. But definitely, what you told, it came on my mind also. And definitely, once I get properly cured, definitely I'll think over it and I'll start. Because now I think I have become perfect. It's been 2 years I have been doing this activity. Now I've become
Mhm.
totally perfect telling stories to anyone. So definitely,
Mhm.
thank you very much. I'll see to it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so
Yes.
if anyone want to start to develop a storytelling, so what things they should be keep in mind to start the story?
I think first you need to set up in mind that how many characters you want to take. If you want to make any story, build story by yourself, how many characters. And first you need to think like stories should be based on which theme. You should take up a theme, like should it be related to family or any thriller or kind of emotional story that you have to make up in mind. And according to that you have to set the characters. And yes, means when I was in school, we used to do this activity also. Like I would start a story with a sentence, and then it would pass to another students one by one. So in this way, I think students would also use their creative mind to to start the story and prolong the story and extend it. And in this way they would make a whole story. So yes, I think you should be creative enough, and creativity automatically comes when you pressure your mind to make a story. So I think it is very easy. So you need to be creative enough, and creativity does not come. It is not like this that that person is gifted. He has God gift. It's nothing like this. Everybody is unique, creative. You need to use them. You need to know. You must know how to use your creativity. So I think storytelling is the best way. So I think yes, you can do it by yourself also. It's not a very big deal. And if you are very much if you can make story yourself, then it is very good. Once you start speaking and there is another person also, you can extend a story also, and this way I think you get a topic also to converse on.
Thank you so much for sharing your heartful thoughts, I must say, or it would be also help for other person.
Yes, thank you,
Okay,
thank you
so
very.
should we wrap up the session now because I have a other session?
Yes, yes. Thank you very much for giving me time just beforehand. Thank you very much for, accepting my request to take session little earlier.
Yeah, thank you, you too. And it was really amazing session with you. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay,
very much.
okay.
Okay,
We will catch up
okay,
very
bye.
soon. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.